Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making chicken bread. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 1 by 4 teaspoons of sugar, 2 1 by 4 teaspoons of dry instant yeast, 4 tablespoons of oil, salt as per your taste, warm water and warm milk half cup. In a bowl, add half cup of water. Now add in the sugar and mix it until it's completely dissolved. After that, add in the dry instant yeast. Put a lid and keep it aside to rise. Now in the bowl, add in all-purpose flour, 3 cups of it. Add in your salt as per the taste. Now the yeast has completely rised, so I'm adding that in as well. Next, add in warm milk and now mix it well. Add water gradually while kneading it until it comes to a dough kind consistency. Now, once it's completely ready, add all the oil in and mix it well. And after that, put a lid. Now let's start preparing the chicken filling. Taking 400 grams of boneless chopped chicken, adding it into a vessel. Now adding in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Put a lid on and let the chicken boil. To make the filling, you will need 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter, mozzarella cheese, corn, jalapenos, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, cheddar cheese, 1 by 4 cup of black olives, 2 to 3 garlics, 1 by 4 cup of green olives, 1 chopped onion, 1 cup of milk and 1 capsicum. Also the chicken that we prepared earlier. In a pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of butter. Into this add in 2 to 3 garlics, next adding in sliced onions, adding in 1 by 4 cup of flour, mix it till the raw smell is gone. Now add milk gradually. You can also check out the taste and see whether you want to add salt later on. Make sure to add it in if you want. Now adding in chili flakes, black pepper powder, corn, capsicum, and now mixing it well. Adding in the mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, once again mixing it. To this, add in black olives and along with it add in green olives. Now mix them. Also adding in the jalapenos and mix. Adding in the prepared chicken. And now put off the flame and keep it aside. Now, knead the dough. If it's completely risen, take it and cut it into 2 equal parts. Now roll it in a rectangle shape. Once that's done, add the chicken filling in the center. Now, cut some lines on either sides as shown and fold them in this pattern. Now, I have whipped an egg here. Take it in a blush and apply it, adding in kalonji and sesame seeds. My siblings also helped. Now place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And now your chicken bread is ready to serve. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Bye. Take care.